Executive member of Caribbean Autonomous Council, Surya Rongphar, inaugurated dialysis unit with 4 dialysis machines at Bokajan Community Health Center. 78 people fall sick after consuming prasad at religious gathering in Assam Lakhimpur district. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal Twitter clash continued with Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma over schools. Executive member of Caribbean Autonomous Council, Surya Rongphar, inaugurated dialysis unit with 4 dialysis machines at Bokajan Community Health Center in collaborations with Apollo Hospital under the scheme the Pradhan Mantri National Dialysis Program. Executive member of Caribbean Autonomous Council, Surya Rongphar, on 26th of August, inaugurated dialysis unit with 4 dialysis machines at Bokajan Community Health Center in collaborations with Apollo Hospital under the scheme the Pradhan Mantri National Dialysis Program, which will be both public and private partnership mode. The Pradhan Mantri National Dialysis Program was rolled out on 7 April 2016 as part of the National Health Mission for the provision of free dialysis services to the poor. E.M. Rongphar was accompanied by Sri Rajason Terang, Joint Secretary of Caribbean Autonomous Council, Dr. Borsing Rongpi, Joint Director of GHS, Dr. Devraj Deori, Superintendent Bokajan Community Health Center, ex-EM Sri Jivan Chandra Pathak, and ex-EM Sri Ram Singh Tokbi. Doctors and staff nurses of the Bokajan Community Health Center and other dignitaries were also present in the inauguration ceremony there on Friday. Trisonethe with Mongwe Teron report, Kirby Daily News. "78 people fall sick after consuming prasad at religious gathering in Assam Lakhimpur district on 27 August 2022. At least 78 people, including 6 children, fell sick after consuming prasad at a religious gathering held on August 24 in the Panbari area near Narayanpur in Assam's Lakhimpur district. On August 26, people of the village visited the Mahatma Gandhi Others Chikitsalaya seeking treatment for diarrhea, vomiting, headache, stomach issues and fever. 36 out of the 42 who came for treatment on that day were admitted in the emergency ward. 22 were females, 10 were males and 6 children. The 6 children have been treated and discharged on the same day itself. Jameson Teron, report on updates in Assam, Kirby Daily News. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal Twitter clash continued with Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma over schools on 27 August 2022. CM Arvind Kejriwal tweeted in response to the remarks made by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Friday. The argument between the two leaders in the virtual space began after Mr. Kejriwal had on Wednesday tweeted that a closure of schools is not a solution and there is a need to open more schools across the country, and share a link to a news report claiming a closure of some schools in Assam. CM Kejriwal asked CM Sarma on Twitter that reads, "When should we come to see the schools in Assam?" In a tweet, CM Sarma has said that reads, "And yes, when you are in Assam, which you are desperately wish to, I will take you to our medical college 1000 times better than your Mohalla clinic. Also meet our bright government school teachers and students." There is a saying we have, if someone asks, "When should I come?" and they say, "Come whenever you can," then it means don't come ever. I had asked you, "When should I come to see your government schools?" You did not tell me. Tell me, when should I come? Only then I can come. Tweeted in the morning by the Aam Aadmi Party Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on 27th of August 2022. Jameson Teron, report on updates on Twitter clash over schools, Kirby Daily News.